In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Microsoft Teams camera not working. If your camera isn't showing up properly in Teams, one of the most common causes is that the wrong webcam is selected in your meeting settings. The good news is that this is usually very quick to check and fix. To begin, make sure you are already in a Microsoft Teams meeting or call. This is important because the camera controls we need are available directly from the call interface. Once you're inside the meeting, look for the camera icon in the call toolbar. This is the same control you would normally use to turn your camera on or off. Next, find the small downward arrow beside the camera icon and click it. This opens additional camera options, which let you choose which video device Teams should use. If you have more than one camera connected to your device, such as a built-in laptop webcam, an external USB webcam, or even a virtual camera from another app, Teams may sometimes choose the wrong one automatically. After opening that menu, check the list of available cameras and make sure the correct webcam is selected. If the currently selected camera is not the one you want to use, switch to the correct option. In many cases, your video will start working immediately as soon as the right device is chosen. If you're not sure which camera is the correct one, look for a preview or test by switching between the listed devices one at a time until your video appears. This is especially helpful if your computer shows several similar device names. Also, if you recently plugged in an external webcam, Teams may not have defaulted to it, so manually selecting it can solve the problem right away. One helpful tip is to give Teams a second after switching cameras, since the video feed may take a moment to load. If the image appears blurry or frozen at first, wait briefly to see if it updates before changing anything else. So, to recap, the fix here is very simple. While you're in a Teams meeting or call, click the downward arrow next to the camera icon, then confirm that the correct webcam is selected. This quick setting check can often resolve camera issues in just a few seconds. That's it for this tutorial. If you follow these steps carefully, you should be able to get your Microsoft Teams camera working again.